April began, still in the clutches of winter, bare trees and cold frosty nights. But there was promise in the air. The blackthorn blossom was blooming, and the days were warm and sunny, filled with the promise of spring. The animals were frantically preparing for the new season. Everywhere nests were being built. The badgers were stealing the horses' straw to line their sets, and the rabbits were fur-lining their holes and nests, and everybody else was making the most of the warm sunshine. Then we were off to France, where the weather was a little different. We'd taken the rain with us. As you can see, there is an abundance of cowslips in this woodland. The name cowslip actually means cowslop or cowpat, in reference to its choice of meadow habitat. It also inhabits ancient woodland, as seen here, and hedgerows. The loss of these habitats has caused a serious decline in its population in England. There's nothing quite like the cafe culture of France. It's just so peaceful to sit and enjoy a drink, look at the beautiful architecture and chat with the people around you, listening to the beautiful French accent as everyone's talking in the background. Everything seems to be as aesthetically pleasing as it possibly could be. It's just everywhere you look, there's something beautiful to see. This is definitely a nice place to stay for a spot of lunch. This lovely village on the hill always reminds me of the film Chocolate with Johnny Depp and Juliette Binoche. I don't know if it's true for all of France, but certainly this area reminds me of how England would have looked 100 years ago. The fields are smaller, surrounded by hedgerows and trees with little ponds. No sign of industry or concrete or urban sprawl. Self-sufficient villagers selling fresh baked bread and pastries, and everybody knows everybody else. And most interestingly, I haven't seen any litter anywhere at all.
Yeah, I'm not sure about this.
Finally the sun came out and we got what we were promised, some lovely French spring weather. This guy was happy for some sunshine too. It seems that every step you take around here, there is a story to be told. Gonna run? There we go. Everywhere you look, there are ghosts of a world now lost to us. In this case, the Industrial Revolution. Mills, mines and steam railways, many of which are now being reclaimed by nature. And just like that, it was the last weekend in April, and the whole world had suddenly changed. The bluebells were out in abundance and the woods were filled with colour, ready for my favourite month. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next month.